car buddies, it's Denise here, your car gear guru. Today we're inside a car and I've got a fun challenge for us. Let's decode the secret language of dashboard symbols. When you start a car, all these cool symbols light up. Ever wonder what they're trying to tell us? Let's find out. First up, we have the battery symbol. It indicates issues with our car's battery or its alternator. For those wondering, the alternator generates electricity for our car. If this symbol lights up while you're driving, it's time to visit a repair shop. Next, this one looks like an engine, right? And yep, it's the engine warning light. It's like a car's way of saying, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Can we see a mechanic? Okay, car buddies, see this symbol? My mom thought it was a teapot inviting us for tea time. But nope, it's not about tea, it's an oil can. This little guy here is our oil warning light, saying, hey, check the car's oil. Think of the oil as the secret juice that keeps our engine dancing smoothly. Oh, this one's super important. It's the seatbelt reminder. If it's on, someone forgot to put their seatbelt. Always buckle for safety. Last one for today. This is a temperature warning light. It means the engine might be getting too hot. It's the car's way of asking for a cool down. And there you have it. Our car has its own language, and now you can speak it too. Always remember, if these symbols stay lit, it's essential to ask a mechanic. Thanks for joining me in today's dashboard adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.